In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard language on Windows 10. This is especially useful if your keyboard is typing in the wrong language or you want to switch between multiple languages while typing. Let's start from the beginning. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Next, select Language from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a section called Preferred Languages. This shows all the languages currently installed on your system. If the language you want is already listed, click on it and choose Options. Scroll down to the Keyboard section. If your desired keyboard layout is not there, click Add a Keyboard and select the one you need. If the language is not listed at all, go back and click Add a Language. Search for your language, select it, and install it. Windows will automatically add the keyboard layout. Now, let's talk about switching keyboard languages. Look at the taskbar near the clock. You'll see a language indicator like ENG, BN, or something similar. Click on it and choose the keyboard language you want. You can also switch languages quickly using a shortcut. Press Windows key plus spacebar on your keyboard to toggle between installed keyboard languages. Once selected, your keyboard will immediately start typing in the chosen language. And that's how you change the keyboard language on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.